Hello, third graders. Mrs. Coulter here. Today we're going to continue learning about relationships and how things are connected or disconnected. For this activity, you will see a list of things that certain people like. So here is the slide. Look for the relationship between the things that they like. Figure out how they are related and write it on the line. Let's complete this first example together by looking at each line separately. This line says Omar likes caterpillars but not monarch butterflies. Well, I know that caterpillars turn into butterflies, but I am not sure how that helps just yet. Let's look at the second line for more information. The second line says Omar likes jade plants but not clematis. I once had a jade plant, so I know that it is a green plant that doesn't flower. And my mom actually grows clematis, and I know that this is a plant that is actually purple. Now, if I don't know that information, I could use the internet to safely search for what these things are. The third line says Omar likes kiwis but not strawberries. I know that both of these are fruits, but really I need to find out how they are different. They both have seeds, but you know what? Kiwis are green and strawberries are red. In the second sentence, I remember that the first plant was green as well. How about the first sentence? Are caterpillars green and monarchs a different color? For now, my guess is that Omar likes things that are green, but I need to read the last sentence to be sure. The last sentence says Omar likes leaves but not in the fall. Oh, one thing I remember that I learned last year was that leaves change colors in the fall. They are usually green, but in the fall they turn lots of other colors. That must be it. I'm going to write that Omar likes things that are green. Okay, so there you have it. That is how you do your relationships activity. Good luck.